Welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our first card using the Lily of the Valley bundle. So I have just used the designer series paper and then cut a 1-inch strip just to create a little bit of space. I did the card base and the stem for the Lily of the Valley in Granny Apple Green. And I did the flowers in Blackberry Bliss, the greeting and the border for the greeting in Blackberry Bliss as well. And just put it together. And I'm using some of the new shimmering dots on here. So super simple card, really easy to do. I used adhesive sheets for all of these pieces here so that it went down easier. And I don't know if you can see, but I did some Wink Stella on the flowers themselves just to give them a little bit of depth. So we're going to do something really, really similar to this on our card on the video, but I'm using Coastal Cabana card base. I've done the greeting and the border for the greeting in the Coastal Cabana, and I used one of my 1/2-inch strips and just stamped the happy birthday on it, angled the ends, stuck this down to a scrap of the Coastal Cabana and cut it out. So it's as simple as that. And I've got dimensionals on the back. We're going to use this designer series paper, and then I've cut a strip, a 1-inch strip out of another piece. And I just wanted to kind of level this up a little bit. So I'm just gonna pop this down like this. There we go. I'm going to put this down as well. Maybe a little bit more adhesive at the top there. Okay, and we're just going to line this up. I'm just coming in 3/4 of an inch or so from the edge. Doesn't really matter. It's wherever you would like to place that down. Okay, and I leveled it up. I cut the little flowers out of basic white, and I've got adhesive on the back of these. And then all I did is I took some bubble bath and I just used a blending brush just to pop some color on the end of the flowers, like kind of on the bells. Now, I could have done it in Coastal Cabana to match. Absolutely, I could have done that. But I really kind of wanted to echo the color in the flowers themselves. So we're just going to peel the backing off of this. And the reason I'm starting at the top and pulling down is because the angle of the flowers is down. If I pulled this way, I might actually tear the flowers. So I'm just going to pop this down just like that. So it's mostly on that separate piece. And all this does is separate the foreground from the background so that it is easier to manage. Now, I cut out this die 3 times. But I don't need that many flowers. I need like 7 instead of the 9, but it gives me some room to wiggle. So this is going to go on the largest stem like that. And sometimes they just need a little bit of a finer pull. There we go. So then I'm just going to keep adding these on like that. And I really quite like the color difference on the base of the flower. Just adds that little something something. Just gonna pop that like that. And do I want another large one? Maybe I want to size that down. So I'm just gonna tuck that over there for now. So let's just go with one of these. And pop that down like that. There we go. Now these little ones, sometimes they go this one goes in the opposite direction, but that's okay. You just wing it. And then this one's going to go here like that. And I think I will use that large one just here like this. And then I'll use the other small one at the top. Oh, there we go. See, I always say that half my video is me taking the backs off adhesive pieces. So let's just give that a little bit of a push. There we go. Okay, so then we're going to put our happy birthday on here like this. I really like how fresh the Coastal Cabana is with this. I'm just popping this over here, kind of central. And now I need to decide which of the bling I'm going to use, because the white ones might just get lost in here, because on this one, the white really shows up. This one, I don't know if the Coastal Cabana will really show up on here, or if I should use the green. Oh, I like the green. Let's go with the green. So, and these shimmering dots are new as well. And will be available kind of the first week in May. And I am going all out with these. It's almost like water droplets on your Lily of the Valley. So there are our 2 cards. So let me know which one you prefer and which colorway you would use. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.